Okay, cool. Let's go for a chart breakdown real quick, guys. It's Saturday, the 9th of August, man. Let's go. Start the challenges. 1,000 to 100K, bro. So, you know, but Elon Musk said something that was quite interesting. He said that a lot of people should try to stop being patient. A lot of people should stop being patient and instead figure out how do I accomplish my 10-year goal in 6 months. Yes, you may not accomplish it, but you will be further along than you would be if you just simply accepted the fact that it would take you 10 years, right? Uh, that is something that I am going to embed inside my life. Whereas when it comes down to the trading thing, yeah, I have goals of being a millionaire. I'm like, yeah, it took like 5 years. Years. What if I try to do it in 6 months to see what happens? You know what I'm saying? Not in the aspect of rushing and taking unwanted trades, of course not. But having the risk management and having the attitude to take huge risking bigger percentages to get a bigger gain, and taking high quality trades instead of taking these peon trades. So that is something that I'm looking forward to doing. That is what I am doing. And let's make these M's, bro, because that's what we're here for, right? So we're gonna get down to the journal, and you know how I like to state from the beginning of every single video, the trade profitability. Trust my intuition, judgment at all times. 9 out of 10 times I'm right. I've been seeing constantly. I would have been down like 50 and 16 losses with the confluences matches. These are not trades that just are like amateur, like just regular trades. Like I'm just taking random trades. These are trades where my confluences matches. But it's just something that's a little weird about it. And I'm just like, my intuition says not to take a trade. And I kid you not, I've taken like maybe like 15, I've avoided like 15 of those trades, and all of those were losses. There's still like one or two that was doing the profit, but I'd rather just avoid those and make, better use of when my intuition is like, no, it's cool. Like, you can take this trade. It seems pretty clean. You know what I'm saying? So that is one thing that I'm seeing. So I know that trades that I'm indecisive about are losers, and I just don't take those. So once I see trades that are, I'm just like, I really don't know what to do with this trade. I'd rather just avoid it because most of the time those trades are losers regardless. So let's get down to the video. Let's talk about gold. Listen, gold right now, I am not interested in gold. Gold is above this level here. Gold is giving me sell vibes, right? Not saying that I can't take a trade off this, right? Like, yes, of course, price, bomb. This is what carries interest. Um, you know what I'm saying? Daily is above this level here, right? Daily is above the level here, but it seems like more so that this is the clean level where you want to see price give a bounce off of, right? Yes, price is at that level. We did tap it, but I'm just straight. It's not a trade that I'm interested in. SPX 500 weekly above this level. There's nothing else what's up here. I am straight. US 30, definitely a trade that I could possibly be interested in. Uh, I'm still trying to figure out something. I'm back testing a bit, trying to see um these like these engulfings into these levels and see how many, 1, 2, and then I'm interested. It's kind of weird. Like you won't understand it right now, what I'm trying to say, but there is definitely something that I'm undergoing right now. So okay, so right now US 30. Would I be interested in this trade? I just don't like price engulf into this area, but it has been 1, 2, 3, and this could possibly engulf this and start falling down. I could see that happening. That is something I could see happening. Also, this could happen as well. But the thing about it is that I remember ICT said that it's like if you could paint the trade going in another direction, then it's not a high probability trade. So this right now, I wouldn't say it's a high probability trade because if it went bullish like this, I wouldn't be surprised. Like because it had the bullish candles here, a bullish again. I won't be surprised if it goes up. Can it go down? Yeah, but it seems like it could still go up, right? Even though the 4 hour may give some other vibe, I feel like price can still continue. So I am just not interested right now. But if it comes to this area and then gives me like some doji vibes right here, you know what I'm saying? That, oh yeah, bro, we are in this trade to the downside, right? So I'm more interested to see what price does at this level. So right now, I'm not interested in, sells. But you know what I'm saying? Like I'd rather just see what it does when you get to this level, and then I'll possibly be interested in selling us the downside, right? So US 30, not on my list. Nas 100, same thing, not on my list. Bitcoin. Listen, okay, so Bitcoin, But I really, I could see Bitcoin selling. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is already engulfed here. I could see price, leaving this huge wick and then continuing to this downside like that, right? That looks like something that could happen, right? The thing about it is that it's just missed one of the conclusions that I look for. I'm still kind of interested in feeling although I could still sell it because it just looks clean, bro. Like prices at this level here, bro. Like, what would I be aiming for? I'll be aiming for this level, right? Price retest here, gauge this, this rejection candle on this side right here. You know what I'm saying? Weekly, it's kind of like rejection candle, 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, like price bullish. Yeah, it's too much stuff that are not lining up. But I do, I'm gonna be real with you. I still do see this, selling off. I do see Bitcoin selling off, but it's just not enough influences for me to enter, for me to be interested in that trade. But I still do see it. That's what clean. You know what I'm saying? Does look still look clean. But I'm straight. GJ. GJ's giving bullish vibes. Price broke here. Game sell, but he gave us this bullish engulfing. Would I sell off of that? Heck no. You know what I'm saying? So the price has more um a chance of going up. Even though this is giving you head and shoulders vibes right here, I still see because price going bullish, price going up above here, you know what I'm saying? Coming back and then continue outside. That seems more plausible, right? Yeah. So right now I'm straight. DJ is not a trade that I'm interested in. ADUSD, a trade that I am interested in. Price came here, retest this. I'll be switching this level up to here, giving this a better level vibe. I'm really looking at this level right here. Price is retesting this level. Question is this, right? Let's remove all drawings. Just remove all drawings and redo this, right? Price is bullish, right? We know that. So this could be an area where price could continue up, right? Could be, right? Um, Price is at this level here, where you know what I'm saying, like when price is below this level, what happens? Price is below this level, when it's above it, buys up, yes, it buys up, but it's below it right now, right? So for me, price is below this level, but this does seem like something I could see continuing up, clearing this out. That seems possible, right? I'm also seeing possible. I really do, for some reason, price price is underneath this level now. Like if it was above this level, then buys for sure. But it's underneath this level right now. So the question is, do you see price like does this feel like something that could happen? And I like to ask you guys this question. Does this feel like something that could happen? Let's do this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like watch this. That look like bro, like that looks like I could see that happening. Price came in and dropped. Yes, price closed above here, then it continued up. But when it's below here, it drops. When it's above, it buys, right? So we see price below here, one, below here, two. So, bro, like 2 out of 3 times, bro, it's gonna go down. So, not as much influences that I would like. Look, even here, my price went down too. So, for me, like that's what it looks like could happen. So, definitely interested in that trade. Uh, Definitely interested in sales more likely. Daily, gives me the vibes here. Uh, and gives me a doji just now. So, but then you see how this is below it here. I don't care. 4 hour. Listen, the minute this is all I'm looking for to sell this off. Price for bullish here. This is the level what is holding all the buyers are at, right? So the minute price does this, drops down and retests, we're taking the sells, bro. And we're taking the sells down to this level for sure. You know what I'm saying? For sure. No doubt about it, right? No doubt about it. So ADUSD, one of the good best. I mean, this is like the clean shit. I think it's probably like number one that I'll be looking at to take when it comes down to these markets right now. And then that give me He gives me that vibes, bro. I kid you not, bro. This would be a great trade. Great, especially if it closes below here. Oh my goodness, the price closes below here and retests below here as well. Oh yeah, that's done for. But let's just remove that level for now. And saying like, let's see what price is. That's perfect. Let's see what price is interested in. So we'll definitely see what price is trying to do. But I'm interested in price cleared it. I'm interested in selling this John even below here, right? So USD JPY definitely. This is what I need to study. Don't worry about that. But definitely, I looked at this chart for a bit. Marcus is red. Definitely looking for buys. Just like how AUD I'm looking for sells. Question is, can this happen? Yeah, price come down. And say, I'm good. I want to come down some more. Price does that sometimes, right? But it's like, okay, cool. I want to come down some more before I eventually start buying it, right? Get like a clear like retest type of vibe, right? The thing about this is this, right? This is the thing about it, right? Do I care? I don't give a damn. I'm just being real. I don't give a damn. Like it could do that, possibly, yeah. But look where we're at right now. Like price is literally price is literally at this level right here, right? Price, wow, that's a good level, right? Is it not? Price at one touch here, two touch here. What I'm saying, price retested it up. Like this is a good level. Price is retesting this level. This is a good level too. I don't want you guys to sleep. I don't want you guys to think this is not a good level. There's also a good level too. This right here, a good level, right? These are all good levels here, and prices tap into all these levels, right? So let's just see if I were to try to get all this right here. Price tap, right? You know what I'm saying? So right. So this is level two. See what I'm saying? Like this is what I'm trying to show you guys. Like this is the level two. Might be wide, but this entire area is where price does movements at. Can price come lower? Yes, price could come lower, which I could prefer, but I could still, I still see price. Price gave this doji vibe. I still could see price, looking up and then bring this bullish vibe to end up filling this up, right? To end up filling this wick up at least 70%, right? This is literally a wick fill, right? It's not a rejection candle. This is a wick fill. So it's giving, vibes here. And then daily comes at this daily level as well. See, this is a daily level here. The price of clean daily level, right? Clean daily level. Price gave us this engulfing, right? And the 4 hour, yes, the 4 hour is not, bullish, but the vibes of it is great. You know what I'm saying? So I'm waiting for price to, come open up, give me some rejection down to this downside. And then most definitely, bro, like going into the buys, bro. We need price to come down some more. Was that weekly wick? Um, and then but we're buying it up to the friggin' end right here. So we're just like 200 on this trade and odds of making, 450, you know what I'm saying? 500, whatever. Oh, it's mine. Oh. Euro USD. Looking at Euro USD, it seems like you know, a good trade, right? Let's look at it real quick. Weekly, what does it do? Let's remove all of them. Try to restart, get a fresh mindset. Be cool. Okay, about okay. So price. Okay, I get it. So you see, price usually drops down once it's below the several drops. Drops below it and really drop. uh, not too much of a respected level. So too much of a respected level. Don't like this right here. Daily. I don't really like USD. I'm good. CAD JPY. I'm gonna just be real with you. Price. The reason why I don't take trade directly after engulfing on a trade. You see price give me every that bomb gave it engulfing. I'm straight. I don't take fells right after that. Yeah, it looked weird. I'm just I just didn't like it. Just 4 hours just looked weird. I'm good. Yeah, JP, why am I interested in looking at that trade? Hell no, I'm good. This was my mindset looking into it, to be honest. Your GBP, I don't like this. If price came here, it engulfed into the area. When it price engulfs into the area of interest, I'm straight. Try to enter in. I closed early. I just feel like I can see price coming back up here. I'm good. So this is trade I interested. I mean, I entered, closed early because it was Friday. Try to see there was momentum. There was no momentum, so I'm good. NZD USD. NZD USD looking good, but I can't trade this. My ace price already tapped into this level that I'd be interested in. So I'm straight. I don't take trades after that has happened. NZD CAD weekly. This is below this level. Can we see price engulf and continue? Possibly. It's bearish. Daily. Bullish. The CAD looking awfully weird. But you know, no, that makes sense. It's by breaking below here and then retesting this level. So it makes the most sense to be honest. Break it below this level. Yeah. UNDG. I said I don't take trades when price engulfs into the area of interest. I guess it's just something I see happen countless times. That when that happens, you usually can follow. Go on straight. Once it's the daily, maybe 4 hours. I don't really care about it. If the 4 hour does it, I still buy it. I still buy it. But because the daily stronger candlestick, can this happen? Yes, it could happen. It just looks more so like this. Seems like more possibility if I continue with that embarrassing open, right? So I'm straight. Um, But interesting. Weekly. Dang, the daily is bullish. Yeah, so I can't really find anything. It was bearish. Yeah, we were selling this off. Um, but yeah, I'm straight. Price and golf here. I'm straight. Looks weird. Yeah, bearish. So the day's bearish, but it's not. It's like bullish, and it's bearish here. I'm straight. Like once it looks weird like that, I'm good, bro. I'm not gonna waste my time, bro. With all these other clean trades are here, why would I waste my time? You know what I'm saying? So the okay, let's look at how this looks. Engulfing, straight, golfing, weird. Remember, I do not sell against golf. I do not go against engulfing retracements. The price retrace, and it goes back and engulfs into the area. I'm straight. I don't take those sells, bro. Like, preferably a buy. But how this is looking, it just is not looking pretty good. Yes, price good. Yes, so, but prices have to like really go up and give me that strong sense of the retracement of probably next week. You know what I'm saying? And then you also got to worry about this right here. You know what I'm saying? So if you were to buy it, I'm going to buy into this area because the price might start selling off in this area. You know what I'm saying? So does that make sense? I would buy into this area and price might start selling off in this area. This is also this is a retracement. You know, I gotta keep that in mind. But not interested currently. Possibly. It's kind of clean. You look at this area right here, in the 4 hour. If it comes back, it's kind of like a clean. So I possibly just look at it for now. But these are definitely the pairs that look over. They look way better than this, bro. Bro, AUD, like literally what I said. I said I see this price going continuing this way. And guess what? We have the three musketeers right here. Three musketeers is a pattern that shows that there's three candles after engulfing, and price is not going to engulf those candles. Most likely going to continue back in that direction, which I'm seeing currently right now. With an extra engulfing confluence with the daily. You know what I'm saying? Like the weekly, yes, the weekly is bullish. You get that, but price has retraced in this area. Commonly, but like a reversal point. So, the daily, look at the daily, like, okay, cool, the daily just went very. Let's remove that. Okay, let's move all joints to make this clean. Go on the weekly. Okay, so one. Just do that, right? Two, just do that, right? Or even in between. Details off. Not as much, but you know what I'm saying? This is the area where I can see a retracement happen just based on the weekly. Daily, daily is what? Damn, the daily is bullish too. Weekly, bullish, daily. Damn, daily is bullish. Yeah, I'm good. Maybe the cat looking weird. Looking weird. I'm straight. ADJPY. Bro, just being okay, just saying you're straight when the trade does not align, bro, it's the best thing to do. Let's see. Would I buy this? No, I can go into this area. I'm straight. You good, bro. NVDJPY. For those who say you trade so much peers, buddy, look, one, two, three. How much? Oh, I'm actively trading. I'm actively watching. I mean, I'm watching a lot, but am I actively trading a lot? No. So use your brain for once. Price came down. Retest this area. Daily, I'm straight. GPAD. So here, off that. Got us sells off BOJPY. Grits. BOJPY. The highest it's ever been. Daily. Giving bearish fives. This could be a possible trade. Let's just see. This the first time price has ever been on top here before? Yeah. First time price has ever been that high. Second time here, right? So that price just here. Price can here drop. I'm good, bro. Like I have no history on this. USD CAD. Just move all drawings. USD CAD. What's the weekly giving me? Weeklies. Bro, I believe no. Price usually goes over here. So here, prices, weaken to this level. Price is bearish. The weekly see some sell-offs happening here. The daily canvas level, where they start selling off. I am not interested in simple as that. DPCHF, I'm not gonna force anything that just looks weird. DPCHF, price usually comes up, comes up, comes up. So what we expected here, most likely to come up, right? Daily, now it's above this area, like I said, I was interested in. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for price to pull back down here. And weekly, yes, the weekly is not. You know, weekly is still bearish. But guess what? The daily is going to be bullish, and the 4 hour is going to be, friggin' bullish when it gets down here, right? So when the price gets down to this area, of course, what are we doing? We're looking for buys, right? They say I don't have enough money. I'm broke. Now it's crazy. But weekly, daily, you know what I'm saying? What can I see happening? Can I see price looking into this area, continuing up? Yes, it could if it has strong momentum. Can I see price tapping this area and then eventually going up? Yeah, I can see that happening as well. So I just see price. I don't know how many candles it's gonna take, and I'm not gonna try to guess how many candles it's gonna take, but I do see price in that level and then reversing off that level. That's all that matters. So definitely a trade that I will be, keeping my eye on. You know what I'm saying? USD CHF weekly is down low. Right, usually bounces up. It closes above here finally. Daily is given. Daily is given. Still bearish straight to PNGD. This I'm looking for. Prices bearish. Is it not? And price is stuck in between these two levels, which I don't like. I don't like how price is stuck in between these two levels. So once it gets out, I'll be interested. Bro, that's what I'm trying to show people. There's no need to force trade. If this happens, I'm straight. Like, just stick with this stuff that makes sense. You don't need to be like forcing that shit. Price is the lowest it's ever been. I'm straight. Euro CHF. Doing extra bullish. Okay, moving on now. Let's look at Euro CHF. Wow. First, number one, we see that every time price hit this level, it usually goes up, right? Right. We usually see, okay, dang, what's probably the price going up? Oh yeah, this level goes up. Oh snap, it hit this level again, it went up. It hit this level, kind of went up. Okay, it hit this level. Oh snap, dang, it's never surpassing that. Most likely when it hits this level, what we're looking for, price to continue up. It usually stays between here. Who cares? Continue up even more. So we do know the probability of price going up is very high. The price is above this area now, which is a weekly level. Now, in the daily, what daily level we have? This is a pretty good daily level, right? I can say this is a very strong level. Um, this is a very clean, strong level. I'd be interested in. Guess price is bullish. Then price went bearish. Price is still, bullish, bullish, and it started going bearish. Now it's bullish again. For me to be interested in buying this, I'm not gonna lie to you. I really would just want price to bounce above here, and then that type of vibes. You know what I'm saying? But we still could see price come down to this level. You know what I'm saying? Bounce off of this, off of this, and give her this type of vibe. But this just looks friggin' weird, so I won't trade this crap. It's literally that. It's literally that, bro. I'm straight because it just looks weird. That's literally the reason. There's no other reason. I don't trade trades that look weird. I trade trades that make the most friggin' sense. And EuroGBP seems to be one that I'm interested that they could possibly pull back and make sense. But I'll enter this trade already. Let me just move this. And move this. And we just keep an eye on it. But is it the top trades that I'm looking for? I don't know. Top trades AUD USD. USD JPY automatic buys to the roof. You feel me? GBP CAD. These are the trades that I am, interested in. So yes, Euro GBP is giving me vibes that it could possibly give me, a retest in this level here. I mean, a daily. This is the thing, right? Can it do that? Can I see this happening? Like price, like, retesting this level, and just continuing to downside. I could see that happening. That seems possible, right? But I just like the 4 hour just is not giving me that vibe. 4 hour, yes, I could see that happen. The 4 hours is giving me it's just giving me like price is about to, break. I mean, like eventually like break up or something. Can it continue down? Yes. Yeah, I probably have to be like if I do take this continuation trade, because obviously weekly, I mean weekly, daily, uh, daily, I would have to literally, it would have to be literally a quick straight, very small, quick trade for me to be interested. That would be a very quick trade into this area. Yeah. So for me to be interested in taking the sell, it'll be a very quick trade into this area, bomb. You know what I'm saying? Price comes here, give me some type of, you know, some type of like engulf or something. Some type of like, and take that trade and then, target this downside. But I might get out earlier than that, to be honest. I'm just saying based on this, I just don't see price continue. Do I see that in daily? I can see that in doing a daily. Weekly, can I see that continuing? I'm that. Yes, I do see that continuing. So bump that 4 hour. I don't like it, but I can say this is a trade I'm interested in. Yeah, I'm interested in this trade now that I look at it for what it is. You know what I'm saying? Um, so price comes down here. It's gonna be a very quick, price is just narrowing out. It'll have to be like a very quick sell into this area. Um, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I just need price to shift structure.
Where'd he go?
From here, fine. Structure. Shift structure. So if I shift structure, give me the 30 minutes engulfing, or I'm in that trade. Stops above this area, and then targeting this downside. So definitely a trade that I could see possibly selling off into this area. So USGBP definitely a trade that I'm interested in too. Um, I could see it happening before ADSC, possibly because like right there, it has to break, retest, and then this one says to like, so GBP CAD. I'm not gonna keep on this trade honestly. Guess it could happen, but mostly these three. I just be looking at these just to like review them. Um, but
Where's he gonna?
if possible, quick, a mini sell. So definitely a trade that I am interested in. Yeah, definitely a trade I'm interested in. So definitely these trades are what I'm looking at.